In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the owner in Google Drive, making sure your documents remain as private as possible. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing your files for a project, or simply looking to enhance your privacy settings, understanding how to hide ownership details can be crucial. Here's how you can do it with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once there, make sure you're logged into the account associated with the files you wish to adjust. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. This step is necessary because your files are linked to your Google account, and you need access to modify these settings. After you've logged in, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Navigate to the document or folder whose ownership details you want to hide. Now, once you've located the file or folder in question, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. Among the options you will see are Get Link, Share, and Open With. For our purpose, we're going to focus on Share, so click on that. This will open the Share with Others window, where you have various options to manage who can see or edit your documents. Here, you'll find that the default setting typically shows the owner of the document. To hide the owner name, you're going to need to adjust the link sharing settings to restrict who the document is visible to directly and possibly limit editing rights. Look for the section that allows you to change the link sharing settings. Make sure you select Restricted Access rather than a broader setting like Anyone with the link. By setting it to Restricted, you're ensuring that only specified people can view or edit the file, effectively keeping the owner's name hidden from anyone else who might stumble upon the link. After selecting this setting, save the changes and close the sharing window. This way, only those whom you have explicitly shared the document with will be able to see it, keeping your ownership information more secure. If there are individuals you trust and need to share editing rights with, you can invite them directly by adding their email addresses in the Share with People and Groups section. Just type in their information, adjust their permissions as necessary, and click Send. And there you have it. By tweaking these settings, you've effectively adjusted the visibility of the document owner in Google Drive. Always remember, privacy settings can be crucial in the digital world, and knowing how to manage them ensures your information remains as you intended. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and guides related to your digital life.